So today I'm going to make for you a really delicious watercress pesto. Watercress is a superfood, one that's a little bit forgotten, but one we should really use a lot more often. We're going to use in it a delicious pecorino cheese, some cashew nuts to add that creaminess, a little bit of garlic, some water, and of course some oil and seasonings. So first of all, I'm going to start with the cheese. Let the Magimix do the work. But if you don't have a Magimix or a food processor, you can use a handheld stick blender just as well. Perfect. Put the nuts in, a little bit of garlic, and blitz it again. You want the cheese and the nuts to look like fine breadcrumbs. Perfect. I'll put the watercress in. A couple of tablespoons of water, some salt, and a few grinds of pepper. Blitz it up again. Now it's a good idea just to bring it down from the sides. And now I'm going to add my oil. It smells incredible, and I've just got to taste it. Delicious and nutritious and very simple to make. I'm going to pot it up. And this will keep in the fridge for a week or so. And unlike basil, it doesn't oxidize so significantly in the air, so you don't have to keep it as tightly airtight covered as basil pesto. So here it is, simple to make, delicious and nutritious watercress pesto. Fantastic on spaghetti, served with pan-fried salmon, grilled chicken, incredible on pizzas. Honestly, so versatile and so tasty.